Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one quite a few times, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And you can see right now, from the overall chart perspective, the bulls acted just like you would want to see them act, assuming the long-term trend is healthy. What do I mean by that? Well, it all revolves around the pink line right here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. You know, even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period simple moving average and know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above in order for that trend to remain bullish. And you can see this morning during the first 30 minutes, the price came down there and surprise, surprise, the power of charts. Check it out. Look, right where it bounced. What a coincidence, right at that pink line. So good to see that indeed did act as support. And going forward, certainly you want to see that continue to happen if the price does go down there and test it. You know, you want to see that sort of history repeat itself right there because as long as the price is above that pink line, then from the big picture perspective, yes, the trend would still be up. But any sort of closes, you know, below that pink line or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, you know, if that were to happen, that's where things transition from, all right, the bulls are no longer in control, the bears are in control, and of course, the further it separates from that pink line, the more and more control they're actually gaining. However, that's not the case here, right? The bears gave it a try, they failed, and the price bounced it back upwards. So going forward, definitely that pink line is the key level, and I'm just going to get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, want to keep this as clean as possible, you know, and just focus on really one key level. That's definitely going to be the pink line there. But, you know, you got to give credit where credit's due for sure. This is just beautiful chart action and a good sign of strength that the price was able to bounce from that point. In regards to levels of resistance, the key thing here right now is all about the purple line, 50 period simple moving average. Now that the price has fallen below it, supports tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened. The price fell below it. You can see a couple of times there acted as resistance, and then quite a few times today acted as resistance. Not saying the price can't get through it, but before we start talking about the key resistance up here at 0.011, you know, the first bridge that needs to be crossed is that 50 period simple moving average. So all in all, you know, not a great day by any stretch. However, a very good day in the sense of the bulls maintaining that long-term moving average. So we'll see if they can continue to do that or not going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.